Medical image enhancement based on statistical and image processing techniques. Abstract X-rays are the most used clinical pictures to study the inner structures of the human body. X-rays images consists of issues of low contrast, noise, and low intensity. Therefore, the medical image quality enhancement is required. In this paper, a new enhancement procedure is proposed for X-ray images based on statistical and image processing concepts. It is the combination of Gaussian filter, contrast stretching transformation, standard logic, logarithmic image processing and statistical range. The proposed method will help the doctors and also the patients to identify particular diseases accurately. The proposed method will result in images having improved contrast, reduced noise, etc. In short, the proposed method provides better image quality in less processing time. Keywords: X-ray, medical imaging, image processing, edge detection, histogram equalization, wavelet transform, statistical range. Introduction. Medical images play a very important role in treatment of patients. It depicts various parts and tissues of human body. An enhanced medical image is necessary for doctors to make accurate diagnosis and treatment. 13. Medical imaging means viewing a human body to treat medical conditions or diagnose by using different techniques. Because of progression in clinical procedures, identification of the diseases has become easier. Medical imaging includes techniques like X-ray, MRI, ultrasound, endoscopy, etc. Medical imaging is very important in healthcare worldwide for physicians to diagnose, treat, and prevention purpose. Regardless of whether you have encountered a physical issue, are suffering from chronic pain, or are facing another medical condition, medical imaging permits specialists to figure out what is going on inside your body and suggest the appropriate treatment. Without medical imaging, both diagnosis and treatment in digital health can be very hard to accomplish with any degree of precision. An X-ray is a quick, painless test that produces images of structures inside human body, particularly bones. X-ray beams pass through the body, and they are absorbed in different amounts depending on the density of the material they pass through. The X-ray has been widely used in the biomedical and medical fields since it was born. At present, X-rays has become important basis in the process of medical diagnosis. Medical X-ray image contains a large amount of information, but the details are fuzzy and contrast is low, which makes adverse effects on the doctor's judgment. Thus, improving the image contrast and enhancing the detail's sharpness while suppressing the noises are the key points of this kind of image enhancement. 4. Medical image enhancement intends to improve the perceivability of the image. Image enhancement methods provide benefits like denoising, sharpening edges, increasing brightness, increasing contrast, etc., which helps the doctors and the physicians to observe fine details of the image more carefully. Enhancement methods include contrast adjustment, histogram equalization, edge-preserving filters, wavelet-based approaches, deblurring, denoising, etc. Medical images are often obtained with low contrast, low intensity, noise, blurred, etc. due to limitations in the medical devices. Such images have poor quality and cannot be used for diagnostic purpose. Thus, it is necessary to process the images accurately to produce better quality images with improved details for better analysis. In the last few years, different methods have been introduced by various researchers to deal with the low-quality images. Numerous search methods are discussed below. This paper is organized as follows. In Section 2, we review relevant work on various medical image enhancement techniques. Section 3 contains our proposed method and Section 4 has conclusion of the paper. 2. Literature review. The main aim of medical image enhancement techniques is to make internal structures and conditions visible within the patient to the doctors and physicians for proper diagnosis and treatment. A. Histogram equalization. 3. Here, equalization of the contrast distribution at the boundaries of objects and background of the image is proposed. This provides the increase of contrast enhancement of low contrast images. 9. This paper presents Equalization algorithm which consists of the log normalization and Equalization. The result shows that it provided the best image quality when compared with He, USM and Equalization. 15. This paper presents Modi.ed local histogram equalization method. This approach results in a clearly visible edge of dot stir and screw area in the image. 19. This paper introduces a new form of histogram called gray level information histogram. This results in increasing contrast of low contrast images. 20. In this paper, the proposed algorithm enhanced the X-ray image. The results proved that the proposed algorithm is effective and efficient to enhance the X-ray images. 23. In this study, we improved the performance of original anisotropic diffusion by combining with the histogram equalization and weighted k-means clustering. This reduces the noise and also increases the image contrast. 31. In this paper, global enhancement algorithm for medical X-ray image is proposed. The noise in medical X-ray image is removed by using multi-wavelet transform B filters. 4. In this paper, a new method based on homomorphic filtering was proposed which used TV model as a transfer function. The method resulted in an enhanced image. 7. In this paper, experiments on low-quality images were dealt with by the proposed method and other existing methods. The results showed that the edges are preserved and the noise is removed. 11. This paper aims to present an iterative algorithm based on guided image filtering for contrast enhancement. This suppresses artifacts and also enhances the contrast. 13. In this paper an iterative 2D Kalman filter is used enhancing the medical images. It provides clearer edges, better and clear result of any image those are in this filtering process. 14. In this paper, a method was proposed that detects edges from X-ray image based on Gaussian filter and statistical range. The proposed algorithm detects edges, robust to noise, provides better quality image. 18. This proposed method is based on histogram equalization and homomorphic filtering. It enhances the low contrast images more efficiently as compared to other methods. D. Miscellaneous. 1. The proposed method is based on Laplacian, Sobel, power law transformation. This results in sharpened image and edges were also detected. 2. The proposed method is the combination of CSL, LIP, SL. This provides pleasant appearance, natural contrast, acceptable brightness, and no visible flaws. 10. This paper a method was proposed based on dark channel prior for enhancing the image. This results in increase of contrast and also highlights the details. 12. The proposed paper presents a prototype of a new generation of medical image fill digitizer. This improves the quality of overexposed images, improves the readability of images that have lost its quality. 21. In this paper, modified Harris corner detector is introduced. This removes Poisson noise from the images. 25. In this paper, the proposed method use morphological operators for enhancing contrast of images. This method results in improved and clear output result. 26. The method is based on stacked random forests feature fusion. This method helps to detect edges. 27. Here, a method was proposed using contrast adjustment, image fusion, and component attenuation. The proposed method enhances edges and fine details. 29. In this paper, we propose an adaptive fractional differential calculus-based technique. This results in clearer edges and richer textures. For conclusion, a survey of many image enhancement techniques such as histogram equalization, wavelet transform, etc. is presented along with their comparison. In this paper, a new method is proposed to enhance X-ray images. The proposed method is the combination of statistical and image processing concepts. The proposed algorithm provides enhanced contrast and edge-detected image. Additionally, our algorithm also removes noise, provides better image quality and enhances features. Simple hardware devices can be used for this method.